The Porsche Taycan Sport Turismo, a car nobody really asked for and one only Porsche could pull off. For starters, it's a wagon. It's got space for your stuff, a center pass-through for skis, and 4 proper seats. You could use it to move your kid into their dorm or haul a load to Goodwill, all without burning a drop of gas. It's also sensible. Thankfully, it can also do this. Zero to 100 kilometers an hour, 3.7 seconds. 0 to 200 kilometers an hour takes just 12 seconds. Yeah, you'll lose your license doing any of that on public roads, but at least you'll feel all warm and fuzzy about your environmental footprint while it's happening. At least for now, this wagon version only comes in GTS trim. That means it's technically called the Taycan Gran Turismo Sport Turismo. That's as silly as the essence of this car itself. Now, in Porsche lore, the GTS moniker has always stood for something special. As the brand tells it, it's the crescendo of sportiness and comfort. It gets a lower stance, more aggressive styling, and plenty of performance add-ons. A beefed up battery pack, torque vectoring, and adaptive air suspension. Maximum output cranked up to 590 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque, more than a 911 turbo. But then none of it feels too hardcore or out of place doing regular stuff. It's cozy and comfortable, there's all the features you'd find in a Mercedes C-Class, and since it's electric, there's no hefty fuel bill to bother with. Driving this thing is like having the best sim racing setup that money can buy, except it's not as neutered and disconnected as it is sitting in front of a computer screen. Yes, there's precision and polish, but it combines with raw realism. There's a sort of sensory deprivation that comes with the vast majority of EVs, but that's what makes this Taycan so special, because it is the complete opposite. There is genuine feeling here from the steering and the suspension. The propulsion sound that is specific to this GTS version, it's perfectly in tune with the way it gobbles up asphalt, and all the while, you are driving a breathtakingly beautiful jelly bean on wheels. This car is genuinely special. I've driven other Taycans before, but this new GTS wagon is absolutely the best of the bunch. It is a little incomplete as an EV, just in terms of range, as well as barely there regen braking, but as a performance vehicle, it proves that electrification doesn't have to ruin the fun. Now add in the fact that it's practical too, and this Taycan GTS Sport Turismo might just be one of the best Porsches you can buy.